What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, today I am doing an unboxing with y'all. Normally, y'all know I already have the items open, and I already, have it on the hangers and all that good stuff. Well, this is not clothes. These are shoes and a bag. Y'all, I ordered some stuff from Spade, so I want to do an unboxing, and that way y'all give my initial, real reaction. But before we get into the video, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also never forget to tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle. So y'all know how we do. Let's just jump right on in, and y'all, I'm just gonna cut the box open. And y'all can tell I'm sitting on the couch for this video because I want y'all to be able to see this stuff up close. Because it's not a try-on. And y'all also see today, honey, I wore a hat and some hoops with just a little dress. Y'all know how I do, and I have me some chill days. Also, I'm recording on my phone. So if y'all see me looking kind of another way, that's why. Okay, so already I'm impressed with the packaging. So cute, and y'all know pink is always so girly, and then the green, I like this. This box has 2 pair of sandals in it, and just a little Kate Spade little card or what have you, and a contact number. The rest is just like paper in the box. Love the little, y'all know, Kate Spade little paper. Okay. So I ordered these. These are so cute, y'all. I seen these a while back, and they were like $80, and I was kind of like, So I didn't want to pay $80, but I did get these on sale. Still a little bit out of my price range, but I figured I could do a little splurge on myself here and there. So that's what this is, because these were $65, and I think 40 cents. They had like 60% off. Plus like an extra 20. It was something random, but it was a good sale, and I figured it wouldn't go much cheaper than that. So I'm glad I did get these. These are so cute. Y'all see, they are just some little flat sandals. I love the little Kate Spade. I love how thick that is on there, and that's like engraved, or not engraved, but like stamped in. If you could tell, like it won't rub off. So that's nice. They do seem like they're cushiony and well made. Bottom, just a random design. It does have the spade on the back, so that's real cute. I like these, and I hope these ain't too big. I got these in a size 8. I got all of the sandals in an 8 because I just didn't know. Sometimes a 7 or a 7.5 is kind of too small. So hopefully these fit. But this is the nude pair. Really cute. Okay. Okay, so the next pair. Ooh. Y'all know I love me some black. So I got these in black, real cute. Again, the same exact shoe, just a flat little sandal with the spade. Same kind of design, exact same. But y'all, I wanted these so bad to go with this bag. And hopefully y'all can see. My husband bought me this bag for Christmas, and it matches right on time with these blue black sandals. So I think that is so freaking cute. And I would just literally wear this, honey, like really anything. Y'all know these little slides. Y'all could throw some jeans, leggings, sundress, honey, anything on with these little slides. and then have your bag. So that's the black pair. Again, those are in the size 8, the same amount, 65, 40. So we're gonna move to the next package, y'all. Let me just cut this one open as well. Okay, now this one is a bag and some sandals. Same little paper from Spade. Box has paper. Oh, y'all. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get this out of the way because it's so big. So this is another pair of sandals. Right, so the box just fell, y'all. I know y'all heard that. Oh, y'all. These are so cute. I wanted these so badly. I told y'all I really like green right now for whatever reason. But this is so freaking pretty. And these are actually sold out, y'all. I don't know what happened, but they came back and I got these. Definitely wanted these. I wanted these and the black ones because the black bag that I have, and then the purse that I got to match these. So I wanted these for sure. The new ones I just got just because. I don't have a bag to actually match, a Kate Spade bag to match those new ones, but I do have some kind of bag. And y'all know nude is a neutral color, but these are the same exact sandals. So freaking cute. And these sandals only come in the 3 colors that I got them in. But I love these. And I love the little suede right there. That's cute. And these are like quality, good leather sandals. But y'all, let me show y'all the bag. That I have for the green sandals. And that was for a thumbnail. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I was trying to pose a little for a thumbnail. But y'all, this purse, definitely wanted it. And I have it now. Oh my God. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, now tell me that is not cute. Tell me that is not cute. So freaking cute. Y'all, I wanted this bag for a while. And my husband was going to buy it for me. But it was like $200 and some odd. And I was like, honey, just don't worry about it. Because that's really unnecessary to me. Now, that might not be a lot for a lot of people. But I just think it's kind of unnecessary. Because one, I don't necessarily need any more clothes or shoes or purses. But that's what I like. He was like, just get the bag. You want the bag, you know, whatever. And I was like, no, honey, just don't worry about it because it's just really not necessary. But I have it now because it went on sale from like $200 and some odd to, I think this was $143. But y'all, this is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. And then this one feels kind of like a basket. But very, very, what am I thinking about? Neatly made, quality material. As y'all can tell, it's so freaking nice. And y'all, this is just like my black bag, the style of it. But of course, the color is different. But y'all, this is like a nice, nice bag. It's huge. I love huge purses. And then this is like embroidered, if you will. So it's very good quality. And again, the green just really caught my eye. That's really what got me, was the green. And that's why I wanted these so badly. I would have been okay with literally just the green ones. But I had the option to get the black and the nude, so I did. But y'all, I wanted to unbox this stuff just, real quick with y'all. This video won't be that long. That's all I did get from Spade. But y'all, this stuff is so cute, and I cannot wait to style these, put on some little dresses and stuff, and just have my little bag and look real cute. But y'all, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you do tell a friend about Qui Nichelle. And y'all know what it is, honey. We are out.